What if feeling weaker, stiffer, and less balanced after 50 isn't actually caused by aging, but by losing a few essential movements your body needs? Look around, you'll see two people of the same age. One moves confidently, stands tall, and handles daily tasks with ease. The other struggles to stand up, walks cautiously, and appears fragile. The difference isn't luck or genetics, it's movement. And today you'll learn 5 simple exercises inspired by Navy SEAL training that help rebuild strength, improve balance, protect your back, and help your body move as if it were decades younger. Watch until the end, because the final exercise ties everything together and could completely change how your body moves every day. After age 50 or 60, strength is no longer just about muscles, it's about posture, balance, coordination, and stability. The problem is that many modern workouts focus on isolated muscles using machines, but life doesn't work that way. In real life you carry groceries, climb stairs, lift objects, reach overhead, and maintain balance when unexpected situations happen. Elite units like the Navy SEALs don't just train muscles, they train movements that help the body function in real-world situations. The good news is that these movements are simple, anyone can start them, and they are incredibly effective in restoring strength and confidence at any age. Let's begin. This may be the most important exercise that almost nobody trains. Life constantly requires carrying things, shopping bags, luggage, tools, even grandchildren. If your body can't handle load while walking, everyday life becomes harder. The farmer's carry strengthens grip, shoulders, core, hips, and posture at the same time. Instead of sitting on a machine, you stand and move, forcing the body to stabilize naturally, just like in real life. How to do it? Hold weights in both hands, stand tall, tighten your core, open your chest, and walk slowly. Avoid leaning or rushing. Start with 20 to 30 seconds per round. Focus on posture before increasing weight. After a few weeks, many people notice they stand straighter and walk with greater confidence. This looks simple until you try it. As we age, body parts stop working smoothly together, shoulders weaken, hips stiffen, and the core stops supporting movement effectively. The bear crawl reconnects the entire body. Start on all fours with knees slightly lifted off the floor. Move slowly, stepping right hand with left foot and vice versa, keeping the back flat and movement controlled. This activates stabilizing muscles and improves coordination between shoulders, hips, and core. Just 10 slow steps, forward and backward, can wake up muscles that haven't been used properly in years. Consistency matters more than speed. One major risk as we age is losing balance. When balance declines, confidence drops and the risk of falling increases. The single-leg deadlift is a great exercise because it strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while also improving joint stability and balance. To do this exercise, stand on one leg, push your hips back while the other leg extends behind you, and lean forward with a straight back. Then, return to standing by pressing through your heel. Many people struggle, at first, because this exercise can really expose balance weaknesses, but that's okay. You can always lightly hold a wall or chair for support. Over time, walking becomes steadier and safer. An added benefit is that you'll have reduced stress on your lower back, thanks to improved hip function. You know, many people avoid overhead movements as they age because of shoulder pain or weakness, but honestly, avoiding movement only makes shoulders weaker over time. Pike push-ups are a great way to safely rebuild shoulder strength and stability. To begin, start in a position similar to the yoga downward dog, with your hips lifted so your body forms an inverted V. Then, bend your elbows to lower your head toward the floor, and push back up. This exercise strengthens the muscles that stabilize your shoulder joint and upper back. Aim for around 5 repetitions per set to start. If you need to, bend your knees slightly, and as you grow stronger, increase the number gradually. Over time, reaching overhead becomes easier, and, well, a lot less painful. A lot of people think strong abs come from crunches, but crunches don't necessarily protect your spine. True core strength actually comes from stability and resisting unwanted movement. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back, press your lower back into the floor, then slightly lift your shoulders and legs while holding the position. If your back starts to arch, just bend your knees or lift your legs a bit higher. This exercise strengthens your deep core muscles and protects your spine during lifting, walking, and daily tasks. In fact, Gymnasts use this position to develop incredible trunk stability. Over time, your back will feel stronger and, honestly, a lot safer. So, these exercises really function as a complete system. Farmers' carries improve posture and loaded strength. Bear crawls help restore body coordination. Single-leg deadlifts build balance. Pike push-ups rebuild shoulder strength, and hollow holds protect the core and spine. The body becomes stable, mobile, and resilient. Daily tasks start to feel easier. Standing up becomes smoother, and walking, well, that becomes a lot more confident. The goal here isn't to look like an athlete, it's to stay strong and independent for decades to come. Start slowly, use proper technique, stay consistent. Just 2 or 3 sessions per week can produce noticeable changes within a month. The real question is, will you start today? Or wait another year when movement becomes even harder? If this video helped you, start with one exercise today. Like the video so more people over 50 can stay healthy and independent. Comment which exercise you'll start with. And subscribe for weekly videos about health and movement, because the goal isn't just to live longer, it's to move better, stay stronger, and remain independent throughout life. Start today. Your future self will thank you.